Hello, everybody. I'm Julia Gordiva. I'm an SEO coach, and I'm also the creator of the Truth Bomb SEO workshops. And today I'm going to tell you how to set up your Google Analytics account. So this is the best way to learn how your website is performing. And today I'm here with one of my students, Evie. Hi, Evie.
Hi, Julia.
Hi. So welcome. Thank you for joining me today. So are you ready to start with your Google Analytics account?
Yes, let's do this.
Okay, let's go. So I'll share my screen so everybody can see what's happening. Okay, let's go. So if you don't have Google Analytics, it will prompt you to sign up for the account. So if you are logged in with your Gmail account, like I am, so you can log in with your Google Analytics in the next tab. I'm always advising to use Google Chrome for launching Google tools because this is the best and streamlined way. Okay.
How did you find this Google Analytics? How do I get there?
There are two ways. You can have a direct link. Let's say you got it in your email, right? So it's one possibility. So you just click on the link and go, and you make sure that you will be logging with your Gmail account. All right, or you can do like me. So you're logged in with your Gmail, and then in the next tab, you just open the link. You can Google, let's say, Google Analytics setup, and it will also give you the link. I already did that, so and I'm here already and ready to launch. So do you see the same pages as me right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's click sign up. Okay, so here you see that we first need to choose if you have a website or a mobile app. Most likely you're going to have a website, but in case you develop a mobile app later, so you can track also the mobile app. Okay, so let's start with the account name. So you can name it as you want. Let's say we will name it your new site, right? So you, of course, can name it like you, the name of your own website. So what are you typing there?
The name of my website, correct, Evie.
Right. So this way you will know what is the account name, and you can easily know what property you're looking at. Okay, so let's set up the website name again. So it can be the same basically name. So you will see your new site. Okay. And down you will see the website URL. So you can check it in your browser how your website URL is displayed, either with HTTP or HTTPS. So if it's with HTTP, so you select this version. If it's HTTPS, it's that one. All right. Okay, and then you can type in www if you have your www. If you don't, just type in the name. Okay. Okay. Your new site.com. All right, so then we can select a category. So please select what category you feel like yours. So are you looking at the drop down, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so what category are you planning to choose?
I don't know.
You can try, I know that you are the social media expert.
Yes, is there an option?
You can try probably internet and telecom or online communities, what you feel like the best one.
Okay.
I will, let's see what they have in internet and telecom first. Okay, so they're not letting you get any further, so just like category. And this is very important step to set up the time zone. You see, so the default option is for Los Angeles time. But you know what is happening in real time, because Google Analytics will tell you in real time what is happening right now. That's why please make sure that you are selecting the right time zone. And this way, you will make sure that all the dashboard reporting will be correct. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so then you can select what kind of data sharing and settings you are comfortable with. So they also say that it's recommended, but I think it's for you to decide if you are ready to get any email notifications from them. What I would advise, definitely the technical support is important to be enabled, right?
Okay.
Google products and services, it depends on you, like what you like to get. Account specialists, I would also suggest to switch on. Okay.
Okay.
So if you get a tracking ID, so it will prompt you to sign the service agreement.
Okay.
Definitely we have to sign that. As good users, we will scroll down because they won't allow us to do it without this, right? And I don't think we have any choice, basically. So if we want to use this product, we just have to do it. Okay, so, and I think we need to have the second one also and accept that one. So click yep, and then I accept. So you can close this, try new Google Analytics and say no thanks if you got it.
Okay.
So this was the first step, how to set up a Google Analytics account. So what you need to do next is to put the tracking code on every page of your website. So this is the code. So if you have a webmaster, so you can copy and send to him or her, I mean, who is the webmaster, and you can also copy paste these instructions, how to do that. All right. So the instructions and the code, so, and they will know what to do. If you have, let's say, a website which runs, let's say, on Wix or Foursquare, so usually they just allow you to put this tracking ID and that's it. So you don't need a tracking code. Okay, so let's say if you copy this code or copy the tracking ID, right? And the next step, you're going to put it on your website. So if you need to get it back, this code, so if you're, let's say, logged into your account next time, you can go to admin, right? So I'll do it again. So let's say overview. You see no data, right? Because the code is not there.
Okay.
Admin. And then there will be tracking info in the middle. You see the property.
Mm-hmm.
Tracking info. And then it will be tracking code. This I'm showing in case you need to, I mean, get it again, right? Let's say a couple of weeks passed and you need to get back the code. So
Okay.
this is tracking ID and website tracking. Okay?
Okay. I have a WordPress website. Is that an easy way?
So usually if you have a WordPress website, you can have a plugin and you can copy paste your tracking ID there. I'm tracking this one, UA and the numbers. Usually those plugins are pretty easy. So you just copy paste, put it there, save, and this will automatically put the tracking codes on every page on your website and all the new pages that are coming. Let's say you're going to create a couple new pages. The code will be there. So WordPress is the best platform for search engine optimization. So congratulations if using that.
I hated it too.
Yeah, so usually it's done through the plugin. Okay, so I will stop sharing. And I want to thank you, Evie, for joining me today and learning how to set up your account. So are you good with your account? So you know where your tracking code is and what is your tracking ID, right?
Right.
Okay, so thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Bye.